YouTube. I'm back every single day. Thanks for showing up. Today we've got a little bit of an interesting take on product page design. I'm going to go through 4 different examples and show you when you should be using a little bit more of a minimalist design and when you should be giving a lot more information. I'm going to give you a couple of examples of when you are doing it wrong. So before I get into the training, reminding everybody, subscribe to the channel. I do a new video every single day to help you with your knowledge in advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping. I do it free of charge. We even have training programs to go over Google Shopping and Facebook available, and we have more in the works. These are the things that people are charging $500, $1,000, $1,500 for. I'm doing it for free. I truly believe that education is the cornerstone of any good business, and I want you to be successful in business. If you wanted to, we do a live call every Thursday night. Join our Facebook group to get the link for that. On the live call, I give away 1 consulting call. We go over 1 hour, anything you want. It could be about business. It could be about personal. It could be, you can ask the flubby guy how he does all of his training. I can tell you right now, it's a lot of cookies. But the point is, I want to help. That's what I'm here for. That's why I keep putting on a new video every single day. I'm here to help build your business with you. Enough about me. Let's get to the training. All right, so I have Pet Moccasin pulled up here, and we just pulled up their pet fitting shears. This is a pet store, so this is a vertical it's in the pet vertical: dogs, cats, horses, whatever. There's not much to this. Now, I personally hate the idea of having bullet points here, so specifications with bullet points. I think you could just turn this into like a sentence or two, and you'd be fine. But they're dog shears. You came here with the intent purpose of buying dog shears. That's it. Now, I'm going to put this in the not very great section because there's definitely room for improvement. But it's not bad either. So if they drop the bullet points, drop the word specifications, they have the reviews, they talk about their shipping and handling, everything is pretty strong here. I mean, it could use photo reviews, but at the same time, it's not necessary as long as they have that social proof that's there. So like, this isn't good and bad for me. So now I'm going to talk about a really, really bad one. If you want me to spend, number one, if you want me to spend $98.99 with you, so $100 essentially, you better give me more than just what AliExpress has here. This is absolutely 100% not the way to do this. This is something you would expect for maybe like a $10 product. It tells you the color, the size, the charging time. This is what goes on the back of the box inside of a retail box. Features: easy to control. It's controlled by a remote control. Okay. Simple to operate. With 1 key to take off and altitude hold functions, you can control it easily. Oh, okay. Nothing about this is me in the park with my son playing with a drone, or me, a grown-ass man, by himself in the park playing with a drone. Take the person out of what's happening right now and put them into the experience. Make them want to use it by showing them, letting them. The first step to owning a product is touching it. Online, we can't touch it, so we have to think through. We have to get that image in their mind. They're touching it, they're using it. This isn't doing it. Make a story. Show some videos. Show some photos. This was in the I would never touch this. I wouldn't buy this. I'm sorry, the $5 discount just wasn't compelling enough for me to want to spend this money with you. And then let's talk about a really good drone. There's no reviews on this because I don't think anyone's actually bought this, but this page is out of this world when it comes to getting you wanting to buy this. Introducing the Strix Goblin. If high precision, efficient flying is your goal, the Goblin is the plane of your dreams. There's a salesperson writing this. Every aspect of the airframe was designed with aerodynamics in mind, which gives it unheard of energy retention and glide ratio. You see, they're using words to get you thinking about flight, about flying this thing. Good handling and strength were also not overlooked, with excellent stall characteristics and blow-molded fuselage. They're molding this picture of this plane in your mind, and they're getting you thinking about how you're going to be using it. And then they tell you some of the key features, why theirs is so great. And some of the specifications, but guess what? It's a drone. You want to know a little more about it. But they didn't put the specifications first and then put some crappy features. And then they put some videos. And I'm not going to watch the videos with you. We're not going to go meta and watch YouTube on YouTube. But they're giving you video of how this is going to work. You can see it in action. This is a page that if I were looking for a drone, I would feel comfortable buying. That's what you're trying to do. Your product page, number one, your product page needs to match the amount of money you're asking for. If you're asking for $10, you don't need this much information. That's overkill. But if you're asking for $160, that's an investment. It's not a big investment, but it's an investment. Think about somebody who works minimum wage jobs. That's 20 hours of work before taxes. It's a lot of time. It's their time you're asking for. So when you're building these pages, remember that a $10 page doesn't need a lot to sell it, but $160 for a product on that page, yeah, you need a lot more. And if you're struggling to build a page, feel free to put something in the comments. I would love to help you out. Let me know. Get me involved. Get on the Facebook group. Get on the Instagram group page, rather. Send me a DM. Ask me questions. Let me help you out. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If this video is helpful at all, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Let's get this to as many people as possible. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.